Hello everyone, today's lesson is about limit of composite function and Gauss symbol. The Gauss symbol. The Gauss symbol is written as this, and this means any real number x down to the nearest integer. So if x is equal to 3.8, this will be 3. If Gauss number is negative 2.2, this will be negative 3. Let's look at another example. If Gauss is 5.8, this will be 5. If Gauss number is negative 0.2, this will be negative 1. Then let's apply this Gauss symbol to the limit of composite function. Let's say fx is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2, and gx is Gauss x. Then if the question asks what will be this value, the calculation will be about substituting the x to somewhat variable. Also, these symbols are same as limit. The limit of only fx will be 1 because x is approaching to 1. So we can just substitute 1 inside the x of fx because fx is just a polynomial. Let's see gx. The limit of gx is 1 because also for limit of gx, x is approaching to 1 in positive side, and the Gauss of 1 as x approaches to 1 from positive side, for example 1.0001, it is also 1 because it is Gauss x is any real number that acts down to the nearest integer. Then, to answer to the question, we should calculate this value. The limit of fx and limit of gx as x approaches to 1 from positive side, they were 1. And that means the limit of composite function can be substituted from x to t. And in this case, as x approaches to 1 from positive side, the gx is approaching to 1. So that means the gx, which is t, is approaching to 1 in this case. Then as we look at the function fx, as some kind of variable t is approaching to 1 in fx, then in this case, we can substitute x of the fx to the variable t. So this limit will be this value. Then we can just substitute 1 into the ft. Then we can find the value of limit of the composite function f of gx is equal to 1. Because we know that the limit of gx and limit of fx as x approaches to 1 from positive side is equal to 1. Then we can also substitute the x in this limit to somewhat variable called t. Then in this case, t indicates fx. Then as t approaches to somewhat number, then as x approaches to 1 from positive side, fx approaches to 1. So that means the t fx is approaching to 1. And as the t approaches to 1, the g of t will be the value of gauss to the 1, which is just 1. Then the final answer will be just 1 plus 1. The final answer will be 2. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.